Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the most recent feature on Instagram Reels, sequence. So in this video I will show you how to actually optimize the feature, how to use it step by step, and what this feature actually do. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Okay, for example, let's look at this video over here, right? Very cool, very nice. Let's say we wanna create a remix on this video, but we don't wanna use the whole video, right? There is a particular part of which we want to use. So all we gotta do is to click on the top right corner on the three dots, right? And now if you look at this top menu over here, the last option on the top menu is sequence, right? If you click on sequence, essentially to make it longer, shorter, or essentially to cut the piece of which you're actually interested in. When you finish, just simply press next. Okay, now with this particular feature over here, you will be able to use your camera, right, and to recreate this video by replying to it. And Instagram will also allow you to edit. So for example, you want to use this small piece of it, you can make a commentary, you can reuse it by simply putting your input, tagging the original content, right, and simply recreating the piece of work. This is the new feature because it's very good. An example of which, if you have a longer reel, right, but the part in which you want to make a comment or you want to make a remix, right, it's right in the middle. If people didn't watch the whole reel that you're creating, people will be confused which part you're trying to emphasize on. But now with this feature, you will be able to cut out or cut off the exact piece that you want to act upon. So this will make so much sense and make much more easier for you to create your own content and at least keep a larger audience engaged through the video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.